Information literacy. Well, what is information literacy? Information literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. It's about being able to navigate the vast amounts of information available to us and make informed decisions based on credible sources. Importance of information literacy? Helps us to critically evaluate information. Helps us to identify biases. Enable us to make informed decisions. Key components of information literacy. Information literacy consists of the following key components including authority, evaluating the credibility of sources. Irrelevance, assessing the relevance of information to your needs. Accuracy, verifying the accuracy of information. Purpose, understanding the purpose and context of information. Developing your information literacy skills. Start with credible sources such as academic journals and government websites. Evaluate sources critically, considering factors like authority, relevance, and accuracy. Use search strategies and tools such as databases and search engines to find relevant information.